Now we will program two compartment pharmacokinetic model. Make the preparations like you can see here. For four variants of parameter k. The parameter p varies here from 0 to 6. Later you will see why it is. At first, take the file with directives. Select here the framed formula, copy it, and put this formula here in the work file before you to see it every time during programming. So you will program this formula in the table. Select the first cell. As you can see in this formula, we have two exponents. We can take this exponents from the function wizard. Let's go to the function wizard. Take the mathematical functions, making the list of let operators shorter. Here select exp, the exponent, by double click. The first exponent is to the power minus p. Our p is here. Click here. The cell address appears in the window. Type here minus. Then place cursor backward. Right there minus. And again double click to xp. It is the second exponent. It has the power minus p times k. The address of p here again. At once it's possible to write minus here. Then move the cursor backward to the address before the bracket. Write times and place there the address of the parameter k. In the first case it is B7. Type it using the keyboard. Okay, this is the first component of our formula. Let's put it in the brackets. Now let's program the part of the formula in square brackets. Our program calc can show only ordinary brackets. We write the multiplication sign, write the first bracket, then according to the formula type 1. Then divide by. After the slash we need to type the next bracket to show that the computer it is denominator. Then 1 minus. Here we must write the next bracket. 1 divide by, and here again the cell address for K1, this one, using keyboard. B7 and 3 brackets backward. 1, 2, 3. So now the formula is complete. Push this window. OK. Here we can see the result. It is 0. Now we should fix the suitable addresses for unchanged components of the formula. Actually, it is only one, the cell address for variable k, this one, B7. Here at this line, where we see B7, place there the dollar signs like that. Go here. Here is also B7, dollar here and dollar here. Enter. Okay, now the suitable components of the formula are fixed. It is possible to copy the formula along this column. Catch the small square in lower right corner of the cell by the small cross and drag it down. Red frame shows that we are copying the formula like that. So we can see the figures here. It is possible to check the addresses in them. Click here. You can see the address A11 here and here. If we move here, it's changed to address A12. And then here, address now A13. And so on. The cell address B7 is not changes. Now we select the this column of data. Go to the chart icon. Take here item in lines, the second type. You can see the graph shape like here in the hint. Now we need to write down the titles here. Next, next, next. Here, write down the title for K1 is equal to 30. x-axis is the parameter p. Y-axis it is c2 over c1. Click finish, then click outside, then click one time inside the diagram, place it here, so we can see the graph has the special shape. It is for the first variant of the parameter k. Please do the same actions for other 3 REST tables and create 3 diagrams. Don't forget to write down the titles there. Send your complete files to the format for answer for work 7.